Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today, if it's not way too muddy, then we will start harvesting corn at the Mauer farm. We've got 70 or so acres there to harvest, and some of it's down, so it's gonna be a struggle like it was at the home farm, but just gotta get it out, get the corn harvested, get it in the bin, and then we're done. And then we can finally say we're done with Harvest 2021. Oil's good. Okay, so what we're doing with the wagon and the auger is, since we're so close to the field with these bins, I can just make a pass through, have Dad unload onto me, then I'll just run up and dump right into the wagon and keep the auger have the wagon slowly unloading into the auger, so that way we don't have to move wagons around, and we can just keep the auger cart running, and that'll keep us ahead of schedule. So yeah, it's pretty easy today. Well, we've got about 50, I'd say, I'm not sure, but I'd say about 50 of the 75 or 80 acres that we have at this farm. And it's almost 9 o'clock, so I don't know how late Dad's gonna wanna go, but it will probably just keep going for a little while because it's harvesting really nicely. Corn's not really down, it's not really that wet, so we're getting that knocked out, and hopefully we can finish it up tomorrow if we don't decide to finish it tonight, but we'll just have to see what happens.
I want to wrap this up and go home. I'm tired. And pull all that junk over there toward you. Okay, that's fine. Now pull all this stuff. I can see my white mark again, I think. I just shut the header control off, don't even need it. Or I just set my return to cut like I do on wheat. I can set it for like, you know, a foot and it just, or whatever, 15 inches, and it works perfect.
Yeah. Alright guys, so last night we found something squeaking on the side of the combine, and it's something for the unload auger, and Dad narrowed it down to a gearbox, a lower gearbox. So we have to go over there and torch it off since it's pretty frozen on there. So, well, just from rust, it just water gets in there, it rusts, so it's pretty stuck in there. We're gonna go over there, torch it, get it off, go get a different one to replace that, and then hopefully we can continue harvesting corn and knock all those acres out today. So let's go.
Branch. It's over in this truck right here. Okay. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now we got to get all our tools out of here.
Okay, so we're rolling, guys, but what we were doing is we were working on the gearbox, and that thing would not come out. Like the shaft that goes up into the auger that goes from the grain tank, that brings it from the grain tank up to that auger to go out, that gearbox is it was froze and it would not come off. So we just put all the chains back on, tightened it back up, left it up in there, and we're just gonna run it until it either falls apart, like literally breaks apart inside, or until we're done with corn harvest, because we just can't get it off, and it's good weather, so we can't be spending time trying to get that thing apart. So we're gonna run it till it literally falls apart. Looks like Dad did not quite know exactly how full he was. Oh well, just easy enough to do this. I think the grain cart found a little hole, but I think it'll come out. Yeah. I'm gonna get out and look at that. And probably flag it too. Yeah, I would say we found a hole. So there I am. There's my knee, so it's probably at least 3 feet deep. That's a big hole. Yep, I'll just put a flag here to keep Dad out of that because that would not end well if the combine ended up in there. Alright, I brought those wagons down there just because it's getting a little bit far to run up here every time with the grain cart, and plus we don't have that much more to harvest, so I'll just dump the rest of it onto those blue wagons and we'll shut off the auger, shut it off, and then I'll fill up those blue wagons, and when we're done with the field, I'll just haul them up here and unload them. That is a wrap on Harvest 2021. mud's flying everywhere. That's what happens when you harvest in the mud. Alright guys, so that's a wrap on Harvest 2021. We finished up that cornfield, we got all the wagons unloaded, and now I'm taking the disc back home so I can start disking the 16-acre piece of bean stubble so Dad can go drill wheat, because right now he's going to go to the Danker farm and he's going to start finish drilling wheat in that 120-acre field or so. Finish drilling wheat there, then run back home, finish drilling wheat in that field, and then we'll be done drilling wheat, and we've also just got done with harvest. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe right down below on that big red button. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, which you better because they're good videos, hit that bell icon right next to the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.